It's quick and easy to pay money into your Charles Stanley Direct account to start investing. There are 3 ways you can fund your account: by debit card, electronic transfer, and direct debit mandate. I'll talk you through each one. Paying by debit card is the fastest way to credit your account, as it's pretty much instant. Simply choose the account you wish to credit and click Manage My Money and Pay Money In. On the next page, to add funds to your account, choose Pay by Debit Card. Simply fill out the relevant information, confirm your details, and assuming the payment is successful, the balance will show in your account in a minute or 2. It's that simple. It's really important, though, that you use a card in your own name or the payment might be rejected. If you would prefer to make an electronic payment, you'll need to instruct your bank and not us, so you'll need our bank details. You can find them in the same place by clicking Manage My Money, then Pay Money In. This time, though, select Pay by Transfer and then View Our Bank Details. This time there are 2 important things to remember: that all payments must come from a bank account in your name and to include your 7-digit account number with the payment. Then, all such payments will be credited to your account on the working day of receipt. Finally, you have the option of setting up regular monthly payments by direct debit mandate from only £50 per month. This is often used by those who wish to set up monthly investments. We'll show you how to do that in one of our other videos. You need to go to Manage My Money first. Then you click on Manage Direct Debit. Select the account you wish to credit and complete the online form. Again, you need to use a bank account in your name. Any such payments will be taken around the 3rd of the month. We'll confirm the setup of all such instructions by secure message, including the date of the first payment. If you need to cancel your direct debit at any point, you can do so through the same set of pages. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact our help desk team. Happy investing!